Okay, so I've got my I've got my stamp cleaned, dried at the sink, and now we're going to do the green on the orange paper. That's another good combination, so I'm gonna move the stamp out of view for just a second. I'm gonna get my other brayer, my clean one that I have, and then I'm gonna roll it in there. Remember, you gotta kind of warm up the ink. It helps it spread around. You might have to turn it side to side. Now, if you have acrylic paint, your foam roller or your brayer, if you got a brayer, may not work real well, but you can kind of press it down and push and it will roll, okay? So here's my stamp. We'll move that printed color out of the way. And I'm gonna roll that green on there. And you can kind of see it's real splotchy, so I'm gonna have to put some more ink on my brayer and go back over it. And this brayer sounds like it needs some WD-40 so it won't squeak as much. But I'm rolling side to side just to kind of help it spread out. Sometimes if you leave the ink out, if you got distracted and leave the ink on it, or leave the ink out for a little bit, it might get dry. Some of you that come on the days that we're printing, it might be out all day, so I might have to add some more ink to it. Okay, so this is ready to go, so I'm going to move that color out of the way. I'm going to lift this up, and I'm going to move my orange color in. So again, I'm going to gently flip it over. I'm going to just do it upside down, and I'll turn the paper around when I'm done. Press it down. Remember, slapping it doesn't do anything, but rubbing it helps get that ink off the paper. Then I'm going to pull it off, and then I have a nice print there. So green and the orange make a really good combo. This is what's left. If I'm going to do another green, I need to roll some more green on there to go to the next step. But we are all done. Again, this is block printing ink. If you buy it at Michael's or at Hobby Lobby, you don't have to buy 16 fluid ounces. You can buy the smallest one there is, because you're actually going to use very little ink. If you really like your stamp, you can actually get this block printing ink, the water soluble kind. You can actually print it on fabric. So so this is that. You'll need a brayer, either a larger one or a small one. These are the rubber kind. You can get a foam one. It will work too. It's just going to soak the ink up a little bit more, so you just got to be aware of that whenever you're doing it. Or if you want to use acrylic ink. So these are our finished products. So we've got our green and our orange, our red and our purple, and our craft paper and our purple that we did there. So that's the colors that we've done. Again, the times to come up if you want to come to school and do it are February 12th, which is tomorrow, from 8:30 until 11:30. I have a professional development in the afternoon, so that's why I can't do it in the afternoon. Also have February 19th, anytime from 8:30 until 3 o'clock. And if none of those times work, please email me and let me know when we can work something out to do it after school or on another day. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.